Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unconventional recipe and that's for curry yogurt grilled chicken. You all wanted something new and I have something really delicious and amazing for you all to try. So let's jump straight into the recipe. This one is super delicious and very flavorful. So we're starting with our wash and clean chicken and I'm adding in a few dashes of Angostura Aromatic Bitters. In goes 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. If you wanted more lemon pepper, of course, put more. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's going to give it that lovely yellow color. And 4 teaspoons of mild curry powder. Now, if you wanted to do half and half curry powder with the turmeric, of course, you can do that also. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning. In goes a 1/4 cup of pimento pepper sauce or regular pimento peppers that you ground up into a sauce. A 1/4 cup of Caribbean green seasoning. The recipe is in my description. 1 cup of yogurt. This is just plain low-fat yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt. And 2 teaspoons of paprika. Next, you want to mix everything really good into the chicken. You want to make sure that those seasonings are distributed throughout each piece of chicken. Massage it into the chicken really well. Now, if you wanted to make some cuts into the chicken, you can do that, but I suggest leaving the skin on as it helps maintain moisture or juiciness in the chicken. So next, cover and allow this to marinate overnight. The next day, you want to make sure and take it out, bring that to room temperature before you start grilling. So I'm using my big green egg here. If you don't have big green egg, you can use any type of grill or you can even do this in your oven. We're going to be setting it to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And once you have that temperature, we're going to go ahead and start placing our chicken pieces on our grill skin side up. We're going to be cooking these for about 30 minutes on one side, covered. And you'll notice my chicken, I did not steam it, so you have to give this enough time to cook. It's going to get really smoky. So cover and allow 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you'll go back in again. And now it's time to flip the pieces over. I'm burping it before I open it so that fire doesn't flare up on me. Can you guys see the color that this is getting? That smoky color. Look at that. So amazing. So I'm flipping the pieces over and I'm going to allow it to cook for another 30 minutes. These pieces are really huge. So if your chicken is very small, guys, I would say do it for about 15 minutes. So cover and allow that to cook. After that other 30 minutes, we're going to open it and we're going to allow it to cook opened for about 10 minutes until it's properly charred, and you're going to do that at a very high heat, about 400 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want the chicken to burn, but you want it to get really charred and delicious on the outside. It must have an internal temperature of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure that it's properly cooked. And when it's done, all you have to do is remove it, set it aside, and I like serving this when it's hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it. Let me know down below what you think. Leave me your comments. Please remember to like, share, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.